You must be too stupid. The car makes some strange noises. You would rather spend $3,000 to go to a repair shop than do it yourself and spend a few seconds solving it. First, the engine makes an abnormal sound when starting. In fact, it's just that this belt has aged. We just need to rub the soap back and forth on the belt a few times. The sound will disappear. Second, there is a squeaking sound when the brakes are applied. There is no need to go to a repair shop. We just need to find an empty closed road section and apply the brakes suddenly. The sound will disappear. Third, there is a crunching sound when turning the direction. In fact, it is caused by a problem with the top glue of this shock absorber. We just need to pull out the oil dipstick and put a few drops of oil on the top corner. The problem will be solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. There are also 1,000 car knowledge on the homepage.